Hey guys, wanted to make a quick video for you, just to show you the garden. It's getting into harvest time pretty well right now. Got some bell peppers, still green. Some of them are starting to turn, as you can see. Kentucky Wonder Beans are coming in. They're doing pretty well. I've had some cucumbers starting to fatten up just a little bit. I'm pulling off one a day. Still one has a couple days before I pick it. Herb beds pretty much seeding out. Got some watermelon. This is orange glow watermelon with the kind of a golden inside when it's done. They're getting bigger. Not quite ready to pick here. I would say another few weeks, and we're going to be eating some good watermelon. There's a Molokai sweet potatoes, a purple sweet potato. I've had two slips, and they're kind of spread out pretty good. I got a long summer ahead of us. It's going to be 90 degrees all the way up until October here in South Georgia, so still got a ways to go with that. Here's our tomatoes. They're clear out the top right now of my trellis. I've got the San Marzano turning here. Got a load of paste tomatoes coming in all the way down the line here, so we're really looking forward to harvesting those. We just have so many of them. What we do is we pick them when they're ripe, and we actually freeze them, and then after they're frozen, we when we get enough of them, we'll defrost them and basically juice them and turn them into sauce at that point. Here are our butternut squash. They are coming right along. There's a few more inside of there. Our corn is, the ears are starting to come out here. I'm starting to pollinate. It's been blown over like several times because of all the wind we've had. We have a tropical storm come through. Zucchini and lemon squash did well. It's getting pretty hot, so these are starting to wilt away a little bit. And of course we have tomatoes just ready to pick here in a couple of days. Some Cherokee purples just ripening here on the vine. Have a lot of cherry tomatoes that are just coming off. Black beauties are still setting. I've pulled quite a number of those off already. Really made this video so you guys could see. You guys have to pick up this tomato. It's called Brad's Crazy Cherry. Look at that, just one branch, and you know, half of the branch has already been picked. Just tons of tomatoes on this tomato plant. I've never seen anything like this. You guys really need to pick this up. They taste good. They're not super sweet, but they taste better than a yellow pear. Just a great producing tomato. I have maybe 4 plants total of these, and there's just more than I could eat, more than my whole family can eat, which we're giving them away left and right. So you guys got to pick this type of plant up. It doesn't get too high, it just bushes out. Tons and tons of tomatoes just falling off all over the place. So something to look into for sure. A plum tree, we picked all the plums off of them, and we're just enjoying summer. It's starting up here, and tomatoes are coming in left and right. And so anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed this video, and you have a great day. Thanks.